All right, so we've defined IPv6, we've defined IPv4 static routes. Let's take one more look at that packet forwarding of that next hop resolution through the static route infrastructure. So when PC1 wants to talk to PC3, we have to know where the network is, the two network. We have to know where all these networks are. So we've defined static routes potentially from R1 to R2 to R3, saying that if 172.16.3 is trying to talk to 192.168.2, then we have configured R1 to know that the 192.168.2 network is in this direction, and we configured R2 to know that the 192.168.2 is in this direction, and finally we'll get to PC3. So as PC1 talks to PC3, we ARP for the router, get the router's MAC, send it here. We send it out the serial 000 interface or to R2, the .2 address. The .2 address on R2 sends it down to the .1 address on R3, and then R3 finally sends it over to PC3. But we did, in fact, have to make static routes here, and we had to do static routes here, and we had to do static routes here, and in fact, two static routes, S-T-A-T, try that one more time, S-T-A-T-I-C. We had to do two static routes in a couple of different places to make sure that we had bidirectional communication. From R1 to R2, and then from R2 back to R1, from R2 to R3, and then from R3 back to R2. We had static routes defined on all three routers bidirectionally.